As an aid to parts costing, AMS has a facility to add freight and import duties to an entire shipment received. As shipment costs are usually received later than the parts and invoice, the GRV number is used to allocate shipment costs after receipt. The shipment number is usually added on purchase order receipt in anticipation of adding later freight costs. The shipment number may also be created in the store's shipment page. Shipment values may be added here when received. The GRV may span a number of PO receipts to spread the shipment cost over a wider number of receipts. Create shipment and allocate costs. Hover over Stores on the main menu and select Shipment. Select New to open the Shipment Create page. Select Insert to generate a new shipment number. Select Edit to add extra cost data. Note, shipment costs may be added on the shipment page as well as the parts received page. Purchase order receipts may be linked to the shipment ID on the store's Orders sub-menu. Note, multiple GRVs may be included in one shipment cost allocation to even out the freight costs on as many parts as possible.